welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have Beachly Fall, full spoilers for Beachly Fall. I have officially decided, now this is my third box, Beachly is my new FabFitFun. I had FabFitFun for years, like over 6 years. And when I canceled it, I probably should have canceled like a year before I really did. I was just so emotionally attached, I couldn't do it. But I spoke with you guys. We talked it out. I pulled the trigger. But by getting rid of FabFitFun, I was open to new lifestyle boxes, which is how I found Beachly. And every single Beachly box has been a huge match for me. I am a water-loving girl. I love lakes, rivers, beaches. Just put me out there. Let's play. Let's have fun. So I think that's why this resonates so well. I did grow up in a small beach town as well, so I do feel like this box was built for me. Beachly is a quarterly subscription. It is $99 a quarter, and they do offer prepaid discounts, which means if you subscribe for a year, you don't pay $99 per box. The price drops down. Shipping is, I think, $4.95 within the US and $11.95 to Canada. But if you use code PINKENVELOPE, you get $30 off your first box. It is an amazing coupon code. And this is their first season. This is full spoilers I'm going to show you. And this is the first season where they've gotten customization. Like, I don't know if they've had it like before I became a member. I don't know. I know this is my first time to see the full customization, which is super exciting. I don't know if they sent me everything or just my box. We'll open in a minute and see. This box starts shipping early September, and they're doing a few new things. Okay, so members can customize pieces of their box. I think they give you like 3 options and you pick 2 of the 3. New members have the option to customize their box with past season favorites. So like we are going to customize based on the new items, but brand new members I think can grab past amazing items like that Monstera cutting board that all of y'all freaked out about. I wonder if that's an option that you could add to the box. If you're wondering what that is, go watch this video up here. This is my summer Beachly, and it was so, so cute. Okay, you get 6 to 8 pieces of premium beach-inspired apparel, accessories, and lifestyle products. You can also get jewelry, beach essentials, coastal home decor, hair and skincare products, healthy and active living products, and of course, good vibes. And I love that they give back. Every box sold, funds are donated to beach cleanups hosted by Sea Trees. So they are a box that is giving back. I have peeked at spoilers for this. I could not help myself. I was so excited. And so I do know some of the items that are in here. I'm actually wearing my shirt that came in my last box. My Team Aloha shirt. Look at the back of it. It's really, really cute. Really comfortable. Looks great with the swimsuit with the front knot. I'm a big fan of this team. And here we do have more clothing, which I'm super excited about. I'm going to go for these guys first because I just have to see what they look like. I love these. Look at the embroidery right there. These are extremely soft. I love that they are throwback blue. They are 1990s blue. And that makes my heart very, very happy. They do have the drawstring on here. They sent me a extra small, which is perfect. And they're by Aloha Modern. I think that's who made this t-shirt. That makes my heart happy because I love this t-shirt. And look at the bottoms. They have 1990s bottoms with the stretch. I am super digging these pants. So on here, it says the Offshore Jogger by Aloha Modern, retail value $70. I'm going to say that that is an accurate retail value. I've been shopping a lot at Evereve and Wantable and Stitch Fix. I was actually just at Nordstrom, and yes, I was looking for joggers and sleep pants, and everything was between $55 and $95, with majority of it being $65, $75. I was like, wow. Okay, so I happen to know that that is spot on for retail value. These are fabulous. Okay, what are we gonna grab next? This is another item I sneaked at. Look at me. I'm like pulling them out based on what I want to see. Look at this. It is a legit old school windbreaker. It is a windbreaker. I am loving their everything about this. So it matches the jogger. Look at all of the throwback blue colors in here. It has the hood, and literally you can see. I'm gonna lift this and unzip it. It's like the good old school windbreaker that comes all the way up and covers your lips, and you can hide inside. This says, respect the sea, Sisstrevolution maybe? I don't know. I'm gonna hold it up so you guys can see. Let's see if I can get it straight where you guys can read it. What exactly does that say? The bottom makes sense. The top, I don't know. It's super throwback. It's the brand. Sisstrevolution? Sisstrevolution? I don't know. I've never heard of this brand. That is brand new to me. It has the pocket. See the pocket? And then look at the bottom. The bottom has the drawstring so you can pull in the bottom of the windbreaker. I am about this, you guys. I am about this. So this has a retail value of $75. I haven't shopped windbreakers recently, so I don't know what their going value is right now. But I mean, it seems fair. And I love that I have a top and a bottom. That is so cute. Okay, so these are a part of the customization. You get to choose 2 of the 3. Oh, I do have the third customization, so I'm gonna be able to show you all of them. So the third item you get to choose from is Misha Hawaii. Oh my gosh, these are cute. They are the 14 karat gold Monstera stud earrings. They are very cute. I have a white Monstera on here. I do love that they are a stud. Look what I'm wearing right now. Green dangly Monstera earrings. I love Monstera earrings. I actually probably should pop a photo up. I have like whole photos of me hugging my Monstera in the backyard. And I just did a whole series where I propagated one of my Monsteras into 5 different Monstera plants. It was super crazy. Jury's out on what those are gonna do. So far they look great, but. So this is the third customization. So when you go into customize, you will choose 2 of the 3. So you could do the earrings and the pants, the earrings and the windbreaker. I mean, you mix and match accordingly. I'm not gonna lie, my heart is a million happies that I got all 3 of these. If you're liking these, they do have on Facebook, the Beachly resale page. So people go onto the Beachly Facebook page and list out the things that they won't use, or they've used them and they're over them and they're ready to sell them. So hop on there if you're eyeing one of these and want to snag it from someone else. Okay, the rest of the items everyone gets in their box. So let's just grab and go. The coconut scent soy candle. I love all things coconut. All things coconut. Now, I'm a fall girl and I'm a winter girl. So right now we're moving into fall. I won't burn coconut candles and I won't use coconut scented lotions or soaps. I move into all things fall. And from fall, I move into winter Christmas and I do all things winter Christmas. But literally we get to like January, February, and I use some like florally scents because I'm in the Valentine's mode. Then it's coconut. March, April, May, June, July, August. So half the year I use coconut. And then Valentine's, winter, and Christmas get to split the remainder of the month. Oh my gosh, I can smell this. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, it is legit a full candle that looks like a soap basically. Like there's no vase, nothing. You put it on display and burn this. This smells so, so good. This is, so coconut can be cheesy smelling. Like you get it and you're just like, oh gosh, no. And so there's a real fine line to doing coconut well. This is coconut done well. It's by Vagabond Good. So this is what the box looks like if you want to check it out. And this has a retail value of $20. Island Time Shell Candle by Vagabond Goods. Amazing. I love it. Golden Hour Pumpkin and Hemp Seed Body Oil. Well, that's fancy. It has a retail value of $72. That's extremely fancy. The brand is Cardea AuSet. I do not, y'all. I'm sure these people just laugh listening to me. It's right down here. It says to apply generously over body and hands, massaging into skin for maximum hydration. Apply to damp skin after shower or bath. Use daily. And it looks like it has good ingredients in it. It's not full of like weird stuff. It's got just a lot of basic oils like sunflower and pumpkin and grapefruit and cedar and clove and jojoba. Very cool. It has omega-3s, vitamin B, vitamin E. I love it. I am terrible about remembering to use these things. When I do remember, I'm like, why don't I do this more often? This is so refreshing and it's so much fun. And then I'll do it for like a little bit. Then I guess life just gets busy. And then I take off again. And I'm like, oh my gosh, why am I not using it? So I'm going to try to make sure I use that. It sounds like a really good, fun, new thing to put in my routine. Can I smell it real quick? I just realized I don't even know what it smells like. I'm not committing to using it till I smell it. Hold on a second. Coconut. Oh, it's very light. Very light. It smells like cinnamon, clove, and pumpkin, but like very light. I'll have to use it to see. I love cinnamon, clove, pumpkin candles, linen sprays, air fresheners. Never thought about putting it on me. I'll loop back. If you don't follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram. I post a lot of stuff in stories there. So go hang out over there and we can loop back to that. Look at these. I'm very excited about these for my daughter. Both of my daughters, actually, they're going to love them. They're little Puka shell hair clips. So there's the front and there's the back. And it says on here, use code Beachly for 25% off at saltycali.com. So not only is it the clips, there's a coupon code to continue shopping if you like the clips, which is really cool. These two Puka shell hairpins by Salty Cali are $20. Very, very fair. They're extremely cute, and I like how big they are. They're not little. That is a hardy size clip right there. So I'll be able to like twist back the girl's hair and put two of the clips in. It's so cute. That is something I've noticed. With FabFitFun, I was kind of able to share it with my kiddos. It kind of was hit or miss. I feel like in all of my Beachly boxes, I've had something I can share with the kiddos, like these. In my last box, we got the little backpack, the cooler backpack. Looks so cute on my youngest daughter. I mean, it's everything. Okay, there's still another item in here. We have these guys. Mango Wood Coasters by Salt and Umber, $35. Let's get these guys open. It says that these are handcrafted in India from sustainable mango wood. Each piece is unique in a natural artwork, wiped clean with dry cloth. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. This is what they look like. And on the back, they have little feet. And it says on here, handcrafted in India from mango wood. Each piece is a unique natural piece of art. And then it has the information on how to get in contact with the company who created these, which is really cool. I have so many coasters, but I find that I like to rotate my coasters. So I'm wondering if these would look really cute out on my patio. I'm already like brainstorming. Okay, here is my outfit. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love, 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 love my 1990s windbreaker and sweatpant outfit. I am going to wear this more often than I should, probably like my Team Aloha shirt. I just love it. And the Monstera earrings are so cute on. This is my box, you guys. This is my box. I have replaced my lifestyle box, and it is such a good feeling that I'm 3 boxes in and I'm still this excited, because this is how I was about FabFitFun like 7 years ago, like way back in the day. And this just feels so good. And I mean, you guys, if you want to try it, pink envelope for $30 off your first box is an amazing coupon. I rarely get coupons that good. So if you want to try it, you have like nothing to lose. It's a bang up deal. If you're interested in learning more about that Facebook group where you can sell things and buy things, I do have that linked below in the description, as well as the coupon code and the URL to order from. I'm loving fall, y'all. Fall's treated us very well so far. So we've got a few more boxes coming. I'm looking over here at my calendar that are fall centric, and then we'll do some fall decorating with me with still some fall popping in, and then literally by end of September and into October, we'll be moving into winter. Isn't that crazy? We did get a cold front here, so it's 77 outside, so it's feeling a whole lot more fallish today than it has in the past. Okay, you guys, we have so many cool unboxings, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on all the fun and amazing coupons that we have. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. I can get them answered there, or you can join our Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group. We're always hanging out and having fun over there. I hope that you guys are having an extremely blessed day. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, y'all.